Hi there, Steve here with part 6 of the trailer build. Hope you've all been enjoying it so far. It's getting closer to being finished, it's taken a bit of time. But anyway, we've got to the point now where it can come down and be painted, and that's the next bit. This is the little sidestep and guard brace that I've made, and that's a tight end point I'm putting on as well. So I'm just about to start welding that on. So that's the cuts for the bottom parts of the ramps. Those bits will be the parts that go into the ground when the ramps are down. I went and picked up a new deep cycle battery this morning to fit into the winch box, and yeah, pretty happy with that. Fits in there. I'll make some clamp down to hold it down to the deck. Nothing's bolted in at the moment, but it's there, and on this side we'll have the winch control unit and the electric brake control unit. And that's that part. And now I'm in the middle of building the ramps. All the steel's cut out for the ramps there, and the first part of the ramp is there, which I'm going to now use that as a template to build off, or a jig to build off the other 3 sections of the ramps, because the ramps will be folding up. You'll see more of that as I work through it. I went and bought some new magnets this morning, so I'll just open these up. These are so incredibly handy when you're welding sections together, and exactly what I need for today's job. There's 2. Here's my little bent sections, and I'll just go on there like that, and that'll fill the end of the ramp with the angle that the ramp will be on. So there is the ramp. I've just tacked it into position. I've still got all the bracing and the clamps on it. There's the point down here where it will fold, and part down right to the ground. The car tyre is would come about here, and the tyre's 210mm wide, so the inside of the tyre is going to be about here.